Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Node.js on Windows Server 2022. First of all, download the Node.js installer. Open your web browser and visit the official Node.js website. Download the long-term support version, which is recommended for most users. Choose the appropriate installer for your system architecture. Save the MSI installer file to your server. Next, locate the downloaded MSI file. Double-click the file to launch the installation wizard. Then, follow the setup wizard. Wait for the installation process to complete. After that, click Finish once done. After installation, verify that Node.js and npm are working correctly. Finally, you can check Node.js version and npm version.